Guys, hi, welcome back once again. So today we are going to talk about Docker. So this will be a crash course and I will try to complete it within 15 to 13 videos hopefully. And yeah, let's get started with this. So basically let's talk about why Docker. So recently, even while I was working with my team, so we got to introduce to learn about the Docker. So the thing is with Docker, if I talk about Docker, let's say you have multiple apps and let's say it's very easy for the deployment. That's one thing. And when you're working with the team, it's easy like to get it know more. Let's say you're currently working if I show more, like this is you, okay, like this is you who is working on, let's say, Node version of 12, and your app is running fully, it's running great, everything. But as soon as you give your code to your team member, and at that time they are running on Node 17 that time, so the issue is that time it's not running. This is just an example. I think it's Node 16, but yeah. So the thing is that time it's not running. So the problem comes here is like, even if the source code everything is good, but the whatever things you have installed, that is causing the issue. So that was quite a big problem. And that's why, like, let's say even if whatever apps you are creating, but the thing is to maintain a particular versioning, like the versioning control is what the Docker does and solves it. And at the same times, let's say so like you don't have to worry about which version should I install. Okay, so Docker will have it, and like you just focus only on the code base. So this was a quite big thing for the developers. And like if I tell you one example, let's say if I scroll down more, I'll just show you. So then you might be asking like why we are using why can't we use virtual machines, right? Because it also does the same thing. In short, like you just install this application. But the thing is, here comes the thing. If you see, there's a simple one-liner explanation to it, but in virtual machine you have to install your own OS, if you remember. But in Docker you don't have to do that, and Docker is faster of course, but in virtual machines you have to install it, you have to wait for it to boot up everything. So that it doesn't matter. Okay, now just tell you about some few terms which you will be knowing in this course. So first is what is a container and what are the image files, and list of command. There are list of commands which I will be talking about, which we will be having in the coming course. But in short, I will tell you that instead of to get more knowing about Docker, so the thing is, if I show you, like in Docker it's made up of what I say, a configuration file. In configuration file you will be telling I will be using this version of Node, and yeah, so that all that's what we call it as an image. And this all images are there in containers, which we will be talking in the next video. But the thing is, you can just share that image file with the team members, and they can just via Docker they can install it on their system. So the thing is, the main questioning part of what which application, which version should my source code or my program should work, that it solves it up. You're getting? So the thing is, you don't have to worry about which Node version I'm running in this example. All you have to matter about you is just focus on your code. So that's it. And the thing is, you can distribute it very easily. Like if I talk about virtual machines, you get it, right? We can't do it. So yeah, this is what Docker is, and we will be talking more about in the next video. So let's have a quick look on the next video.